China has become a major player in the global fashion industry, with many Chinese fashion designers gaining recognition for their innovative designs and unique perspectives. One of the most famous fashion collections to come out of China in recent years is the Chanel Pre-Fall 2018 collection, which was held at the Oil Tank Art Center in Beijing. The Chanel Pre-Fall 2018 collection was a celebration of Chinese culture and heritage, with designer Karl Lagerfeld drawing inspiration from traditional Chinese motifs and fabrics. The collection featured a mix of classic Chanel designs, such as tweed jackets and little black dresses, as well as more contemporary pieces, such as oversized coats and sneakers. The show itself was a spectacle, with the Oil Tank Art Center providing a dramatic backdrop for the collection. The center, which was once an oil storage facility, has been transformed into a modern art space, with a series of interconnected concrete cylinders that provide a unique and futuristic setting. For fashion shows and other events, the Chanel Pre-Fall 2018 collection was a significant moment for Chinese fashion, as it represented a coming together of two of the world's most iconic fashion brands. The collection was a fusion of French and Chinese styles, with Lagerfeld incorporating traditional Chinese elements, such as dragon motifs and silk fabrics, into his designs. The collection was also significant because it represented a shift in the global fashion industry, with China emerging as a major market for luxury fashion brands. China's growing middle class has created a new generation of fashion consumers who are looking for high-quality, luxury fashion brands that reflect their culture and values. The Chanel Pre-Fall 2018 collection was not the only Chinese-inspired fashion collection to make waves in the global fashion industry. Other notable collections include the Gucci Pre-Fall 2017 collection, which was held at the Long Museum in Shanghai, and the Dior Pre-Fall 2018 collection, which was held at the Great Wall of China. These collections represent a new era in the global fashion industry, one in which China is emerging as a major player and is influencing the way people think about fashion and culture. Chinese fashion designers are creating innovative designs that draw inspiration from their country's rich cultural heritage, while also incorporating contemporary styles and trends. Chinese fashion designers have been making waves in the global fashion industry for quite some time now. They have been praised for their innovative designs, which often blend traditional Chinese elements with modern, contemporary styles. One of the most famous Chinese fashion designers is Guo Pei, whose designs have been worn by celebrities such as Rihanna and Beyoncé. Guo Pei is known for her intricate and elaborate designs, which often feature intricate embroidery, beading, and other embellishments. Her designs are inspired by Chinese history, culture, and mythology, and she uses traditional Chinese fabrics and techniques to create her stunning creations. Another Chinese fashion designer who has gained international recognition is Wei Shanzhang. Zhang's designs are known for their clean lines, elegant silhouettes, and intricate details. Like Guo Pei, Zhang draws inspiration from Chinese culture and heritage, and her designs often feature traditional Chinese motifs and fabrics. Chinese fashion has also been making waves in the streetwear scene. Chinese streetwear brands, such as Li Ning and Anta, have gained a following among young people around the world, with their bold designs and innovative styles. These brands are known for their use of bright colors, bold graphics, and eye-catching designs, and they have been embraced by the global streetwear community. In recent years, Chinese fashion has also been influenced by the country's growing focus on sustainability and eco-friendliness. Many Chinese fashion brands are now using eco-friendly materials and production methods, and are embracing a more ethical and sustainable approach to fashion. In addition to designers and streetwear brands, Chinese fashion has also been making a name for itself in the luxury fashion market. Luxury fashion brands are increasingly